Hi, fifth graders. This is going to be your homework for week 4. One part is number sentences where you are choosing the number sentence that correctly matches. And then the back part is you have different operations and you need to solve and find their value. So let's go ahead and look at the first one of each of these. So the first one on the number sentence part where you're matching the statement with each expression, it says find 7 less than the product of 12 and 18. So each one of these A, B, C, and D has a grouping. I see that there's a grouping right here of 12 times 18, 18 minus 17, 12 times 18, and 12 minus 18. So I'm going to look at that part first. And I see from the sentence it says we're finding 7 less, and we're going to find 7 less than the product of 12 and 18. So product is the answer to a multiplication. So we're going to find 12 times 18. So whatever the product of that is, we're going to do that, and then we're going to find 7 less of that. So we're going to take away 7. So the one that would match that is A right here. And if you notice, C looks very similar, but then if it was the 7 in the front, it would be 7 minus a big number, whatever that 12 times 18 is, and you would get you wouldn't be able to do that. So you need the 7 to go in the back there. The next one is over here. Make it bigger. All right, so here on these, you just need to solve it. So your steps, you're going to do you can look here, or you can go by what we talked about in class, where you have G for groupings, E for exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. Your GEMDAS. And so we know that groupings comes first. So you're going to take your 9 plus 3, that gives you 12. And then you're going to divide that by 2, which gives you 6. So here, just following through that step again, G, these are your groupings. So anything that has parentheses, brackets, braces, and then E, your exponents, M, multiplication, D, division, A, addition, and S for subtraction. So you need to do those in order. And then remember, in the multiplication and division, you're moving left to right. And then same thing with the addition and subtraction, you're moving left to right. So you don't always multiply first, it's whatever's on that left-hand side, and you move to the right. Same thing with the adding and subtracting. You don't always add first. Sometimes you might subtract if it comes first on the left-hand side. All right, so let me see what else is on the bottom of these. So you're going to do that on the top. And then here, it's just asking you, whenever you put these parentheses around the 12 plus 6, and then here you take them off, does it have the same answer? And if not, or if it doesn't, why do they come out different? And then here it says you're just doing the opposite. So here it gave you the sentence, and then you match the numerical expression. Here you're giving the sentence, and you have to write your own. So just like how they have the expressions here, how would you put 76 more than the product of 13 and 8? So find those things where you're grouping. So like product of 13 and 8, I'm going to have to group that together. And then how do I find 76 more? So just think about how you could write that as an expression. And then on the agenda, if you go down here to the bottom, your homework this week, fix this. So your homework this week is you've got your reading recording sheet and grammar practice. So every single day you need to be reading, and then you need to be recording what you're reading. And there's a grammar portion on here where you're correcting sentences. And so go ahead, rewrite it correctly. And that's for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I know we weren't here Monday, but you can go ahead and do Monday. It's not going to hurt you to get some extra reading in. And then, so with that, you need to be reading 30 minutes each day. And you've got your library books that we checked out on Wednesday. So hopefully you took those home so you'll have something to use. And we will be going, let me see if I put that on here. I don't think I did. We're going to be going to the library on Wednesday to get new books. So make sure your library books are in. And then other things going on this week, we've got our MAP test, and we've got PTA and open house on Tuesday. And then we'll have our Fun Friday on Friday. This time we're going to be partnering up with Miss Keefe's class. So if you did not do your homework at home, while one of the rooms is doing Fun Friday, you'll go into that other room to do your homework for the week. So make sure you get it done so you can participate in Fun Friday this week. And I will see you guys on Tuesday.